I edited a bit this database file. I removed space character which were present on some of these products data, and I cleaned all non-printable characters which were present on some of these values. Then I imported those data on site. So this is the design file which we use to implement on site. And as I can see, you haven't provided data for photometrics, and you haven't provided images for installation and diagram images. So let me now show you. So on detail page we do not have images for installation and for diagrams. So you have to provide those data, you have to provide those images, and when you have those images, then in the database file you should populate photometrics with the PDF name, and to insert new columns for diagram images, and then to populate, similar as this photo column is populated, similarly you have to populate for installation and diagram images. So you have to provide an image name and the images. This is how that should look. Now some of these attributes are not shown on the front end. For example, item weight is not shown, number of bulbs, type of bulbs, maximum wattage, optional lamping, ballast, well listed, UPC number. So we can show all these attributes on detail page, but we will need to redesign this detail page so that all this data can be shown here on detail page. Just let us know, do you want to show those attributes or not? You haven't sent us you haven't populated data for related products. So there are two options for you. You can insert related products columns. I will do this like this. I will send you this file. So for related products you can specify the related products. This is an example with 4 products, but you can insert as many as you want, because you will have a slider here. So here's the way how to set related products. We just need a SKU of those products. And I can input. This will be shown on detail page as related product. Or you can tell us to program related products, for example within same category, or within, or to use any of these attributes to show related products on detail page. We can use, or you can tell us use the SKU number. For example, all that have first 4 letters can be related. So you have to specify how to set the related products. Now let's see the optional finish products. There are 2 ways to show optional finish products. First way is to show the image of these 2 products are the same, but the finish of those products are different. This one has oil wrap bronze finish, and click on this image will redirect, and you will see that this product has satin aluminum finish. So this is a first option, and the second one is to show an image of that optional finish as on this detail page, but click on this will be disabled, so when user can see only these optional finishes. So if you prefer the first method, where user can click on optional finish, then you have to edit database file, and instead of optional finish name, you should provide us the SKU of that product. So for these 2 products, instead of optional finish name, you can supply us the SKU of the product. So for example, this product and this product are the same, but with a different finish option. So this is the way how you should supply us data for optional finish in a case you want us to show optional finishes like this. In a case you want to show just a different option, like on this product, then you just have to provide us option images. For each option you have to give us an image. So you have 43 different options here, so for each option you have to provide us an image. And I do not know, is this product, for example, has 3 different options: cherry, oak, white, or that's just a name of an option. Let me check. So this is cherry, 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 and there is oak, white, and unfinished option. But let me now see, is there any oak? So I don't see that you have a simple a row with a oak finish, nor with a white finish, nor with a unfinished. So now let's see. And I have issues to import products to categories. I have issues to determine what to do with these columns. I see that this column B, is for import to product type category, and that's something that I already done. You have to provide these images for us. So I use this to import. I use column B to import products to categories, subcategories, but I didn't use this column, this column, this column, this column, and this column. I need your help to resolve the issues, because I do not know, do you want to have a subcategory level? And as you can see, we have these two columns. So the question is, this subcategory level, or this is a filter? So these are subcategories and these are filters. So I use column D to import, and imported this data to filter attribute application, and we will see all those options here. So when user select fixed rail subcategory, then he can select any of these options to filter. So there are no accent. Is there a ceiling? So just let me know what to do with those columns. Maybe you want to show this as a category and this as subcategory level. So this is something that you have to inform us what to do with it. So in a case you want to have subcategory level, here is an example. On this site you will see this is subcategory level, product is main category, collection is subcategory, and when you click on subcategory, subcategory level will open, and then user can click on subcategory, and those products which belong to that subcategory will show up. Or we can use those data for filter options, and we can change these filters to suit the database, but I have to know how to call those. Should type be instead of application? Should use be instead of fly source? So This is an example so you can know what to do. When you go to the category and when you use these filters, for example overbed, so these are all indoor products. So when you go to overbed and on application filter you select indoor, all indoor products will show up. And now if you want to have all those filters, just let us know. I used this column category 2 name to import, but I didn't use it as a category, but I used this data as product names. So let me know, have I done it correctly or not? You will see that on listing pages you will see that name, but when you click on quick view link you will see a SQL product, and on detail page you will see here that name and you will see a SQL product. So let us know what to do with category 2 name with that column. I didn't imported products to collections. Before I do that, please let us know what to do. I think that I have to use column category 2 collection to import products to collections, but I'm not absolutely sure because I can use column series because as you can see these are the data for in these two columns are the same, so I need to know which column should I use to import products to collection. So these are categories, and sort by, these two buttons are for categories, and filter by are attributes, so there is a difference. That's it.